It's your boy Chris back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope that everything's good, you know. All that good stuff. Y'all see that MISHIMOTO boxes? Oh wait, there's one right here. 2 MISHIMOTO boxes. Okay, as you guys saw from last video, the radiator is already installed. I didn't install the fans because I'm going to be returning them since I do have to wire them, and according to my research, the OEM fans are better to run than the MISHIMOTO fans. I might run the MISHIMOTO fans in the future, but we'll see. But yeah, my bad for leaving y'all hanging with just the LED lights, but it cracked because of this pull right here. Ready? Go. So what I found out is that the supports of 99 to 04 Mustangs, the radiator supports, they hold the radiator too tight, so when you step on it, all the torque will cause it to either crack or flex or just go bad. And that's what happened to mine. Mine cracked, most likely. I'll find out once I take it off and everything, and I'll also show you guys the new radiator, and then we'll go on from there. I also installed the aluminum expansion tank, which I'm pretty sure you guys already seen, but if just in case you guys didn't, I'll show you guys in this video. Alright guys, if you guys are gonna get the silicone radiator hoses from MISHIMOTO, or HP I believe is the other brand, make sure to buy clamps from O'Reilly's, AutoZone, or your local auto parts store, because these are a pain to get off when you're under here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but no, y'all can't even see. Hold on, let me get up under there. The very tight space to get under here. The clamp is, there's one clamp right here with the old hose, and it's pretty easy to get to this one, but that one right there, that one is a pain, bruh. Get new hose clamps. These are much easier, going to be much easier for you to tighten down and get on than those freaking ones. That you have to use, what you have to use to get those off is an adjustable wrench, and I'm telling you right now, it is a pain. Other than that though, let's get to it. Ooh guys, I got it out. I don't know if you guys can see, but like right about here, this is where the coolant started leaking. So this is where the failure was. I'll show you guys the MISHIMOTO one right now, and we'll take this thing for a drive after I put everything back together. Peep the new radiator, y'all. Damn. So I got the one with the stabilizer, because this year Mustangs 99 to 04 have a lot of torque, and they cause the radiator to fail because the mounting points and the brackets are very weak. So that's why I got it with the stabilizer kit from MISHIMOTO. So much better than the old one. It just looks so much better.
I put my money on casino.